that they would be conflicted from either sponsoring, voting, or participating in a public closed session or public discussion of this issue. Any conflict whatsoever. Yes.
Council President, I did make a statement, did not sign anything. I brought it to attention to authorities because I felt I was duty bound to. Brought to my attention, wanted to make sure that authorities knew about it. God forbid something ever did happen. It was documented on record.
And
where that process is, I couldn't tell you.
I can. I requested your new public safety director to verify whether there was any pending municipal or criminal matter, and he said that there is not.
But there is
no pending criminal investigation, municipal violation investigation. There's, as far as the information that your public safety director gave me, there is no pending matter involving Ms. Pincus other than what's in front of you for consideration in item number 12.
That mean that the prosecutor's office not be acting?
I can just simply tell you what I was told. I don't know.
Have concluded whatever they were.
I don't know what the municipal, what the
no current charges, but doesn't mean
the prosecutor is going to do or not going to do. He told me that there is nothing pending that would otherwise disqualify any council member from participating. There's no pending municipal or criminal matter, none, to his awareness. Whether there may be tomorrow or not is speculative, and I can't comment to it.
Councilman Occhipinti indicated that he submitted I think what's commonly known as a police report. To just is that fair to say where you make a statement?
An investigation report, I believe, is the technical term that was used earlier this evening with me. That's what was filed, and there's no. I have to deal with legal issues. I can't deal with I leave to you, each and every one of you, to deal with your own moral and ethical compass. I need to deal with legal conflicts or no legal conflicts.
I understand that. I just want to make sure that to the extent, and I wasn't privy to this police report or to whatever complaints were,
Neither have I.
Well, whatever was reported by Councilman Occhipinti, I don't know what was reported, so only he can speak to whether or not whatever he may have reported or complained of arises to a conflict between his ability to adjudicate the same subject matter of what he reported regarding her conduct. I'm asking Corporation Counsel, is there a conflict based on a councilman filing a police report that's directly related to the subject matter of the resolution he's sponsoring?
Without going through some legal analysis, right off the cuff, I'm not in a position to say yes or no with any definitiveness.
So what's your advice to Mr. Occhipinti?
I would say no, that he can participate.
Going into closed session issue.
So motion to go into closed session.
Second.
Do we have a second?
No, gotta find it, please.
What,
properly.
Oh, can we have a definition, Corporation Counsel, of the purpose of the closed session?
To go into closed session for number one, Ms. Pincus was riced as a member of an official. Thank you. As an official of the zoning board, she requested that the discussion be done in executive session. Number one. Number two, to the extent that there is any attorney-client privilege in the discussion, I can't tell you in advance without going into executive session and hearing what the questions may or may not be from this council. The vote as to item number 12, to proceed or not to proceed, is going to be a public vote.
Okay.
I just want to state for the record that based upon the limited knowledge I have, that being that Councilman Occhipinti has filed a police report in connection with allegations relating to Ms. Pincus, that I have a strong concern that there's a direct and very real conflict from him, not just sponsors of this resolution, but more fundamentally participating in closed session discussions about it, and ultimately possibly being an arbiter of the correctness or incorrectness of her conduct. So I can't prevent Councilman Occhipinti from participating in this procedure